A great reason to use Google Drive is that it is, after all, Google. So you won't have to search too hard to find that file that you're looking for. Let's head up to the search bar at the top of the screen. The easiest way to get started is to type in what you know about the file. You'll get some preliminary search results, and you can click on those or hit the Enter key on your keyboard. And if you search for something that's found in the trash, you'll be notified on the bottom left side of the screen. Once you've found what you're looking for, you can click directly on it. To clear your search results, you can either click X on the right-hand side of the search bar, or you can click My Drive on the left-hand side. You can also click directly in the search bar to find certain file types. For example, if you know you're looking for a PDF file, once you click in that search drive box, you'll also get a preliminary list of file types that you can search on. You can also filter your search to only contain things like documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and photos. Finally, you can click Advanced Search. Here's where you can search again on any particular file type and you'll get an expanded list in this view. For example, zip files, Google Drawings, even folder. You can search on files that have a particular owner. You can search for files that are in the trash or have stars next to them. You can even search on when the file was modified. This is useful if you're looking for a particular file that you know you were working in a certain time frame. You can put in any part of a file name. You can even search for words that are found in that file itself. You can search for files that are shared with a particular person, and you can even search for actions and suggestions which are found in Google Docs. When you are ready to do your advanced search, just click the blue search button. I'll click the X to close out of this. You can also stack these filters. For example, I'm going to put in my original query, which was London. From here, I'll click the down triangle all the way on the right hand side. This is going to take me to those search options. However, I can see that my original query is still here. So, although I'm looking for a particular file, I know it's a PDF file that contains the word London, I'll click the down arrow next to Type and choose PDF. I'll click Search, and here's my results. I can see in the search bar that the type is a PDF file and the word is London. In fact, the more you use search queries, the more you learn this Google way of typing things, and you can just come and type them in directly yourself and not even need to use that advanced search dialog box. There's one more thing. If you still can't find your file and you know you've been working on it lately, you can always scroll on the left hand side of the screen and click Recent. This is going to show you a view of files that you've accessed or worked on recently. Something else you could do is go back to the root of My Drive, click to make sure you're in list view and not grid view, and see the date that your files were last modified. You can change the state to files that were modified by you or last opened by you. This is sometimes quicker than going for a search if you know you've accessed that file recently. Now here's a question for you to reflect upon. Why is it helpful to use list view when searching for files or folders in Google Drive? Don't forget, write your answers in the comments section.